Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you're ready for your daily update for Shiba Inu. We got some big news to talk about, guys. We're going to take a look at the price, take a look at the charts. Now, if you like free money, if you're looking for a new broker, sign up to WEBULL with my link in the description below. All you got to do is deposit $100 and you will receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And guys, remember, you're free to do whatever you want to do with those 2 free stocks, so you can just sell them and make that money. And guys, if you want to join the family, if you want to join this community, please subscribe and turn on those post notifications. We'd love to have you. So let's get right into the video and talk about the latest news on Shib. So in yesterday's video, we were talking about Shiba Swap and how the testing had begun. It was underway and we would have an update probably in the next couple days, possibly few days. And today's our lucky day as we got an update on Shiba Swap from Satoshi. So here's the tweet that he sent out. Here's an update on the swap. Day 1 of testing was with a small group of OG testers like @SHIBtoken. They pointed out UX improvements and the team spent the night making the improvements and are pushing a new repo for the second and larger set of testers from across the world. So this is great news. We already got an update from testing that just began yesterday. And from what Satoshi is saying here, it doesn't seem like anything is major, no major improvements, as he just mentioned UX, so user experience improvements. Now this is really great news. This is really great to hear. However, it's still very early in the testing stage. So obviously there's going to be tons of testing that has to be done. But hopefully we keep getting these updates. Hopefully they're daily updates that we can hear and be provided with, so we know exactly what's going on with Shiba Swap, and we'll have a better idea of when it will launch, when it will go live, and when we can all start using it. So it's really great that they're communicating with us, letting us know, being transparent with the community, because I don't know about you, but I'm very excited for Shiba Swap, and I think it's going to be a huge catalyst with potential to drive the price up. Now going over to Reddit, in the subreddit of Shiba Army, we have a post here from Shib Informer, which states he's actually involved in the testing. So let's take a look at this post. Shiba Swap testing is ongoing. Check my test wallet. At the same time, the audit continues. What we are testing is the UI in the general workflow while performing staking, farming, transferring LPs from other swaps, etc. The UI is pretty neat in my opinion. Clean, but with some rough edges here and there. Team is working on these things. However, I won't leak screenshots. What I can do is share my wallet address in Kovan. What I did? Use the site to buy some sheep. Leash moved the test LP to Shiba Swap. I think that was it. Today I tried to do some things too with Leash. This was all on the Kovan test network. And there he provides the address. Now he continues to state, feel free to check it. Maybe I can do a transaction for the non-believers. Release date? Only the dev team can decide. But these tests are important because we think the uses of Shiba Swap will be huge. Change in scale was one of the reasons for more and more audits. Never expected 400,000 potential users in day 1. A single UI quirk can trigger a huge reaction and create confusion. Thanks Shib Army for your patience and beware of scams. So once again guys, great news, building on that communication, giving us that transparency, really giving us confidence in the project, confidence to investors, because I know there's a lot of paper hands out there, a lot of people getting nervous when the price starts dipping. So now we have some more information, and hopefully, as mentioned, they continue to provide us these updates. Possibly daily updates would be great. Now I'm not sure, and I'm curious though, whether they'd be looking to the community or us investors if we could participate in the testing, helping out on the Shiba Swap testing. I've seen people tweet and then post in Reddit on how they can participate in testing, if they will be able to, because I think that would be really exciting. Now, I spent some time in IT, in software development with quality assurance and software testing, so I would love to be a part of this. I would love to test out and help out and do my part for the community, for the Shiba Army. And guys, let me know down below in the comments, is this something you're interested in? Would you like to start testing Shiba Swap? Would you like to be a part of it? Or wait for it to go live for the launch and have that stable version? But either way guys, when Shiba Swap is live, it is going to be huge. It's definitely going to be a game changer. Okay guys, let's take a look at the charts. Let's take a look at the price. So as you can see, we're down quite a bit. We are at 0.00001223. So that's 4 zeros followed by the 1223. We're down almost 28% in the last 24 hours. So definitely not good. Definitely deep in the red. However, the entire crypto market is deep in the red in such a huge downtrend. Pretty much still hasn't recovered from Elon Musk's tweet about Bitcoin last week. So hopefully we start to see a reversal soon. But right now, majority of the crypto market is deep in the red. However, this is some great opportunities to buy some crypto for very, very cheap. Prices we haven't seen in quite some time. Bitcoin being at 39,000, that's insane. Ethereum 2,900. Come on guys, we haven't seen these levels in a long time. So definitely could be a great buying opportunity. However, I don't know if this is the bottom. I think it's going to go down a little bit more. Not entirely sure. But the strange thing is, beginning of the year, penny stocks in general were really going strong, really in the green, a lot of strong rallies. And then all of a sudden, penny stock market started dying down, crypto market started picking up, or possibly the reverse, the crypto markets got so popular and people just started taking their money out of stocks just to put into crypto. But now the stock market is kind of coming back. It's starting to get into the green, and now we're seeing this whole crypto market in the red. So just be wise. Just remember, just because the prices are extremely low, this doesn't mean that you should go out and use money you don't have, like go on margin or borrow money or use money for some upcoming bill payments like your mortgage. Don't do that, guys. Sit tight. So going back to Shiba now. So as we can see, volume's down about 27% in the last 24 hours, sitting at about 1.9 billion. Market cap down about 28% at 4.8 billion. And if we look at CoinGecko here now in the 1 hour, down 11%, 24 hours down about 27% as we've already talked about. The 7-day we're down almost 60%. 14-day we're still up 638%, so that's good news right there. 30 days still looking green, 568% up. Now this isn't necessarily a reflection on Shiba because the entire crypto market is down, so we need to wait and see what's happening with the crypto market. If it keeps continuing to plummet, the price of Shiba could continue to go down as well. Maybe the price could turn around with some new catalysts, some new upcoming news like new exchanges or Shiba Swap going live. Now, of course, going over to Reddit, looking at the subreddit of Shiba Army, you can find a lot of interesting information. Like, first of all, there's over 120,000 members. So the Reddit community is growing quite quickly, and I found this interesting post that is directed to the skeptical people or the non-believers or the paper hands. So it's titled, "For those who are skeptical or don't believe." So it says, guys, we have gained 80,000 plus new members in a week on Reddit. We gained about 200,000 members in a week on Twitter. We were all over the news worldwide. Now this is in many facets. You have, for one, Shiba being on Fox News yesterday, so that was in my video as well. I had that screen capture, so that's exciting news as well. Of course, all over the news outlets is regarding those two millionaires, the two brothers that started off with their Shiba investment. They had a total of about $8,000. I think it was $7,900, and that grew to $9 million. And that's literally on every news outlet, CNN, Forbes, Yahoo Finance, you name it. And of course, not to mention all the news regarding 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘 with his selling of Shiba to provide donations to India for the COVID relief, as well as burning all those tokens. So much mainstream attention literally just over the last few days alone. Next point, we are starting to gain more attention from rappers, famous people, politicians, bodybuilders. Now all this is true, and as a specific example, just earlier today, Kai Green, a world famous bodybuilder with over 6.5 million followers on Instagram, put out this post stating, guys, I'm about to post on my IG, 6.5 million followers, Shiba. I need y'all to be ready with the comments. Comment King Kai or Shiba Army or both, whichever on the post. Let's get this tweet to 1,000 retweets, and I'm blasting off with the post. Now he ended up actually did posting something on his Instagram, but it didn't actually do anything with the price today. We didn't really see it actually jump or increase. Now moving on to the next point, 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗏 donated world record donation in history to the India COVID relief. 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘𝗏 burnt 90% of his remaining wallet. 10% will be donated to another charity. Rumor says that he might send it to Shiba Swap admins for testing. However, this hasn't been confirmed, and we touched on this in yesterday's video. But guys, just as some clarity, that 90% of the tokens that Vitalik burnt equates to about $6.7 billion. So definitely a very noble act on his part, because he could have just ran away with $6.7 billion. Now I'm going to skip over the next couple points, but this last section I want to talk about. So he states, this will take time. If you think you'll become a millionaire in 1 week, this will not happen. Stop being scared or taking about the project or just bringing negative energy to this community. So that part I just wanted to stress, because I know there's a lot of people who are very new to this crypto world or Shiba in general, and they're thinking that they've been in it for a couple days or a week. Why haven't they made their million? So it's obviously going to take time, guys. Just like with those two brothers who had the $8,000 investment that turned into $9 million. It didn't happen in days. It didn't happen in weeks. It took months. And they had $8 grand invested. And this was a while back when there was really not much information or not much hype or not much talking about it. Right now it's very popular. Everybody's talking about it. As we discussed, it's on all these news platforms, it's all over the media, celebrities, etc. So you can only imagine how much stress they had. And I'm sure along the way there were probably plenty times where they wanted to sell. So if you don't have the stomach for it, guys, don't invest, don't put in your money, right? Don't stress yourselves out, right? Don't use money you don't have. Stick to something that's more stable or more secure. And not to mention, guys, there's already over 400,000 holders of Shiba. Alright guys, I'll be back with more videos tomorrow. And guys, I want to know, what would you rather have? Do you want to just have one daily video of Shiba, for example? Do you want to have multiple videos, maybe one in the morning, one in the evening, or do you want multiple? I've seen other YouTube creators where they have 3, 4, 5 videos of one cryptocurrency, whether it's Shiba or not, or it could be a penny stock or a stock, and they make so many videos. And I know a lot of people out there kind of think it's overkill because there's not that much information to actually record 4 videos for, but some people do like it. They like hearing the latest price analysis, the latest price charts, just see what's going on throughout the day. So let me know, guys, what do you want? Do you want me to do more videos? Is one enough? Should I do 2? Let me know in the comments down below, please, guys. I'd really appreciate it. Or would you prefer if I go live, or if I just stream the charts all day? I know some people out there just stream the charts and they come on from time to time and just give some analysis. So let me know, guys. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some value out of this video. Thanks again for all the support. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Let me know your thoughts on Shiba Swap. Is this the catalyst you've been waiting for? Are you excited about this? Let me know in the comments down below. How much do you own? Are you planning to buy more Shib? And of course, guys, if you need a new broker, if you want some free money, sign up for WEBULL and use my link in the description below. And once you deposit $100, you're going to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And not only can you use it to purchase crypto, you can also purchase stocks, penny stocks, and trade in the pre-market and the post-market. And if you want to be a part of the family, if you want to be a part of this community, please consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications, guys. Thanks so much once again. And as always, guys, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you all in the next video.